Hello everyone, this is Fine from Awesome Tech Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about the brand new Xiaomi Redmi Smart TV X86, which is 86-inch model. Recently, Xiaomi has unveiled the Redmi Smart TV X86 during today's Redmi Note 12 series launch event. This TV is undoubtedly the largest device presented today. Specifically, the Smart TV features 1.92:1.10 meters, within which Xiaomi has included an 86-inch display. Despite weighing over 35 kg, the Redmi Smart TV X86 can be wall-mounted by a VESA 600-inch to 400 wall mount, according to the company. The Smart TV's 86-inch display outputs at 3840:2160 pixels in a 16:9 aspect ratio with 178-degree viewing angles, a 60 Hz refresh rate, and Delta E3 color accuracy. Presumably an LCD panel, Xiaomi claims that it offers a 97.3% screen-to-body ratio and supports MEMC to reduce motion blur. Moreover, the Redmi Smart TV X86 has two HDMI ports for connecting external devices, Ethernet twin 10-watt speakers and two USB Type-A ports. Supposedly, Smart TV supports DTS, HD and Dolby Atmos, but misses out on the likes of Dolby Vision or HDR10 Plus functionality. Elsewhere, the device boasts an unnamed SoC with 4 ARM Cortex-A55 cores and a Mali G52 MC1 GPU, plus 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, while not available internationally yet. In 2020, Redmi Smart TV Max 98 brought the 100-inch TV to less than around $28.50 for the first time, while the last year Redmi Max 86 was launched, breaking through the bottom line of the market price again at price of about $1140, which becomes it the first brand to bring an 86-inch TV to less than $1150. Today, the arrival of the Redmi X86 giant screen TV has brought the price of an 86-inch TV is under $1120. Although the price is cheap, there are still a few things that are well done on the Redmi X86 giant screen TV. The entire Redmi X86 series uses VIA panels, so you don't have to worry about getting IPS in the lottery. Although IPS and VIA panels have their own advantages and disadvantages at the price of $450 to $750. VIA panels have an absolute advantage. Compared with the 1000:1 contrast ratio of the IPS panel, the VIA panel can provide a static contrast ratio of up to 4000:1 or even higher. A higher contrast can display a more vivid and orderly light and dark picture, and the details of the dark part of the picture can also be displayed more clearly. In terms of screen parameters, the VIA screen used by Redmi X86 has a brightness of 200 to 300 nit, a contrast ratio of up to 5000:1, a 78% DCI-P3 color gamut, as I said, and a 10-bit color depth that can display 10 hundreds of millions of colors and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. It is also worth mentioning that, according to the official statement, each Redmi X86 has been calibrated before leaving the factory to ensure that the Delta E value is less than 3, which is comparable to the display in terms of color accuracy. Students who like to watch football games should know the importance of MEMC motion compensation technology. MEMC is a motion image quality enhancement technology in display devices. It improves the picture playback effect through motion estimation and motion compensation frame insertion, especially for high-speed motion images. MEMC can significantly improve dynamic clarity and fluency without smearing or freezing. It can be said that MEMC technology is tailor-made for sports scenes such as football games. Students who want to watch the World Cup, if the TV does not have MEMC motion compensation technology, just don't think about it and pass it. While solving the problem of high prices, Redmi also solved the problem of difficult access to giant screen TVs. The Redmi X86 giant screen TV adopts a patented special shaped packaging. The unique diamond cut corners reduce the packaging volume and also have high strength and cushioning performance. The packaging of this design has achieved a pass rate of up to 99.9%. That is to say, basically all elevators in China that can transport Redmi X86 without any problem, which also provides a basis for the popularization of giant screen TVs. In addition to the above points, Redmi X86 uses a quad-core A55 processor in a configuration with a built-in storage of combination of 2GB of RAM plus 16GB of ROM. This 16GB of ROM does not seem to have a large capacity, but it can also install about 50 ROMs. I believe that for most it is enough for the family. On the system, Redmi X86 is equipped with MIUI TV Enterprise Edition, which provides a wealth of built-in templates which can be applied with one click, whether it is sharing, meeting, or a work report. And the display text can be adjusted with the remote control, and beautiful publicity can be generated in 1 minute. The Redmi X86 is a full-screen design with narrow borders on 4 sides with a screen-to-body ratio of 97%. The Redmi logo is located in the middle at the lower positions, and the physical buttons are directly below. The size of the TV is 192 cm into 110 cm into 9.2 cm. The span of the bracket is 44 cm. So pay special attention to the size when choosing a TV cabinet. The dovetail bracket, because the size is too large, the TV cabinet can't fit it. If you want to put the TV directly on the TV cabinet, the depth of the TV cabinet must be at least 500 mm. Otherwise, it is safer to install it on the wall. The rear shell follows the design of Redmi Max X86. The giant screen TV is too big and heavy to carry, so Redmi X86 has designed a pair of handles. Of course, this pair of handles can also be disassembled. If you want to install it on the wall, you still have to remove it. Since it uses a direct backlight, there is no way to make it too thin. The thickest part of the lower part is 9 cm, but the Redmi X86 has a curved design viewed from the front. It still feels very thin behind the TV. From the top to bottom, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, HDMI 2.0, HDMI 2.0, coaxial audio interface, 3 AV terminals, an old antenna interface, and an RJ45 network cable interface at the bottom. In addition to receiving video and audio signals, it can also transmit audio signals from TV sources to external power amplifiers or audio devices that support related technologies. This port can be used to connect various power amplifiers and soundbars. You clearly see its picture quality is okay, I will say. This TV is actually for budget TV buyers who don't have enough money but want to buy a big TV. So what's your thought about this TV? Please write in the comments below. That's it from now.